أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والله يحيي ويميت والله بما تعملون بصير. Wow will be light for fatha upon your jaws and sound is short attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy here because you can see fatha before it. Wallahu, who is short, circle your lips for dhamma. You for dhamma on ya, circle your lips, and as you will touch ha, your lips should be in a straight position, and it will get rakhawa. Ha will get rakhawa. You e, and it is 2 counts long. Ye is 2 counts long. You e wa. Wow, circle your lips for fatha. Open your jaws. The sound is very short. You yeah, keep ya soft. For dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is very short. You meet. This is mad arid lisakun and make it 4 counts long. And when you will stop, you will give sakun at the last letter, and ta with the hums will get sifa of hums. Hums is a flow of breath. You meet. Wallahu bima. For kasra give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Bima ta. For ta is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws. Attach with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut. Ta ma is short. Lu na short. Ba short. Sir مد عدد للسكون. You will make it 4 counts long, and raw will be light here because when raw is with sukoon, because it will be sukoon because of the waqf. If you find ya before second raw, then you will make it light. So this ya is making it raw light. Basir. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولئن قتلتم في سبيل الله أو متم لمغفرة من الله ورحمة خير مما يجمعون. For wow circle your lips, fatha open your jaws. La is short. Wa la in. This is heavy. Keep your tongue. The last part of your tongue will be lifted up. Wala in. For qaf is heavy. For dhamma circle your lips. Till ta is very sharp. For kasra give e sound. Attach with lam. Lam will get safa of the wasut. Till tum. For dhamma circle your lips. Attach with mim. Mim will get safa of the wasut. Qutiltum. Fi is 2 counts long. Sa for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. B 2 counts long. Lil for kasra give e sound attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Lillah la he is short. Ow hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, attach with wow, and it will be 2 counts long because this is vowelin. Ow mut for dhamma circle your lips as you will touch ta. First ta is with sukoon, so your lips will be in a straight position. Mut, and then you are circling your lips again to create to say this dhamma on ta, and then it will be attached with meme, and we will get sifa of the wasut. Mut ta, here ta has a shidda quality, so mut tum la short. Mawum, keep meme light. Ghain heavy. Ghain will get sifa of rakhawa. Mawfi for kasra give e sound. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. Tum for the circular lips. That meme. Meme will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna because this is idgham. Idgham with gunna. Tum for kasra, keep e sound. Nallahi, keep noon light, but lafz jalala heavy because there is fatha before it. Ha is short, and with kasra e. Minallahi wa. For wow, circle your lips for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Rah. Ra is very, ra is heavy for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Rahma, ma is short. Tun, idhar with tawassut. Tun, khay, it is 2 counts long because this is lean, and kha, it will be heavy. Khay, urum, for the circle lips, attach with meme, meme will get, and this is idgham with gunna, so keep sound in your nose for a longer time. Mim, ma is 2 counts long. Yaj, yeah is light for fatha, open your jaws, attached with jim, jim will get sifa of qalqala. Yaj, ma is short. Roon, circle your lips very nicely and squeeze your throat very well for pronouncing this. Ain, and it will be 4 counts long because this is mata'arid lisakun, and you will give the wasut at the end. وَلَئِن قُتِلْتُمْ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ أَوْ مُتُّمْ لَمَغْفِرَةٌ مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَرَحْمَةٌ خَيْرٌ مِّمَّا يَجْمَعُونَ. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.